If there's a question of my heart, you've got it. It don't belong to anyone but you.
Welcome to the Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing. See the plus? See the plus? Okay, so I ordered this from Sprint because I started new service with Sprint. It took me years to start new service with Sprint because I used to work for them, so I know how they operate, and I didn't really like working there. But I didn't really have to pay this much for the phone. Plus, they sent me a free tablet. I will be doing an unboxing for the tablet, and this is my first Galaxy. So I had an LG Stylo 4 from Metro PCS before, so when I ordered this, I was so excited because it was on back order because this is a new launch. Yay! A new launch! Yay! Okay, let's get this bitch open. As you can see, has not been open yet. Has not been open yet. So, let's see if I can get, ooh, wait a minute. My hands are mad ashy. Wait, hold on. It's taped on one side, but then it's not taped on the other. I think I might have to. This is one ratchet ass unboxing. I'll tell you that. Oop. Okay, get the sticker off. My hands are so fucking ashy. But y'all aren't gonna be looking at my hands, are you? You're gonna be looking at this phone. If I can get this bitch open, the fuck? Is it me or is my camera too back too far? Okay, there we go. I think that's a little bit better. Oh, my hands are mad ashy. And I have no lotion anywhere in sight. Oh, look! This device includes a pre-installed screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows the use of all touchscreen features, including ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. All right, there we go. So this is the phone, bitches. This is the phone. This is the phone. This is so ratchet and country at the same time. So this is a 6.4 display. Oh. The charger for the wall. I don't know what this is. Damn, my hands are ashy. Oh, and then we have, what is this? We have the cord, the charger cord. See, the charger cord. And as you can also see, I have a headset. Now, this headset right here, try and break into it. I like this headset because it doesn't come, it's not like all the other headsets that you would get with any other phone. Keep those. These are, excuse me, these are the Bug headsets. And those other headphones that, you know, they're big ass circles and they're supposed to sit outside of your ear, those hurt. And then I like, where's the camera? I like the the cord part because it's this material. How do I describe this material? It's not rubber like it would be like any other headset. It's not like like the charger or any other headset. It's got a it's got a wefted cord, so that's what it is. So I like that. It's not made into rubber. Now this part right here, this is rubber because it has the when you talk on the phone and you want to turn your music up, they have this also. But I love the bug earplugs because I love having music in my ear next to my eardrum so I can listen to every single thing that's going on. But getting back to the phone. The phone. The phone. Sorry, y'all, my nephew's calling me. Yes.
Hey,
What?
I passed.
You did?
That's one down, three more to go.
Congratulations! Yay!
Man, I was so scared because I literally just got out. The first test stroke they get to pump that afternoon. So I get out, I keep on busting at my mom's house, and I see the GED test strokes already. I'm like, oh, sick, breathe, bro. I was like, you're passing, bro. I'm like, oh, Lord, thank God.
So this was social studies.
This was so special.
What's the next one you take?
I'm gonna go ahead and retake science.
Okay. When do you retake it?
I think I'm gonna reschedule it for next week. That way I can go ahead and get some more study time in.
Oh, okay. So you're going back tomorrow to study?
Well, I think I need to relook at my dates because I think the teacher won't be there until Friday. Without my regular teacher, he's getting hip surgery, so he's out. So the regular dates I would be, but he's not here.
Okay.
So I may be on Friday instead of Thursday. But I'll check. I got the list. Oh, and Miss Janine's supposed to be here. She finally got back to you, right?
No.
Okay. Well, she said she's gonna give you a call. She was just busy.
Yeah, I know she's busy. But I'm doing an unboxing, so I'll talk to you later. Are you on your way home?
No, I gotta go to my mom's house.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Sorry, y'all. That was my nephew calling. He's testing for his GED so he can graduate from high school, and he passed his test. Well, one of his tests. Okay, so this is the Galaxy S10. Flip it over. It's the Prism Blue. It has S10 on the back. Oh, thanks, Sprint. On Instagram, I posted that I had ordered it from Verizon, but Verizon was on some bullshit. Not going to go into detail, and so I switched to Sprint. So, what is this? A back film? I'm not going to take this off. I actually have a cover for the phone coming into the mail. It's supposed to be delivered tomorrow. So let's go ahead and turn this bitch on. Oh, looky. Do I have autofocus? Samsung. Starting droid.
Let's get started.
Okay, bitch.
Get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these,
Girl, bye.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
5G because that's mine. Let's go. Put the password in. Y'all don't need to know my password. Just a moment. All right, we are connected.
Activate your device for service. This may take several minutes.
All right, it's activating because it is through Sprint. I called last night and got my account number and everything, and I hooked up my Sprint, and all I need to do is just download the My Sprint app, refreshing SIM data. Probably won't even have to do much to activate the device. While this is activating, what the fuck is this? What is this? I don't know what this is. I see the USB port, and then I see the part where it goes into the charger. So, I don't know what this is. Oh, and we also have to eject the SIM card and shit like that. So yeah, but I won't be doing that. We got something else in here. I think we have something else in here. What is this, a user guide? Oh, get the most out of your phone. Yeah, the user guide. Look at that while our phone activates. Oh, it's ready.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. It will not be difficult.
I'll skip this for now because I know how to do it without the wireless and all that shit. Basically, you could just hook the Bluetooth up from my other phone from my other service is still on, but this is a brand new phone number that I have. So this is my Google. I'm gonna sign into my Google. Y'all don't need to know that neither. Putting the password in. All right. Got everything set up. Yes, I'm in. I agree. That's my Chromebook that I use for school, and that's my other phone that I have. I'm gonna use my other phone just for now because I'm not ready to give it up yet. I think I might give it to my niece. Let me see a drink real quick. Zora. All right. Okay, so I'm restoring everything. Just a sec. Protect my phone. I have face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, password. I'm gonna do my fingerprint. Let's display that. Okay, so it wants something else before I do I'm gonna do a pin. Put my pin in. Y'all don't need to know that neither. All right, so I'm gonna scan my fingerprint. I'm a lefty, but I use my right thumb. Press a little bit harder. Okay. Oh, 27%, 34%, 41%, 47, 53, 57. He needs to get all of it. 63, 67, 71. Rotate your finger slightly each time. 75, 79, 80. Get a full scan. All right, there we go. Accept all my Google services.
I found some useful apps for you.
You
Check them
did? Well, let's fucking see them.
Log into a Samsung account to get the most out of your device.
I'll continue with Google. Asking me if I want to do Samsung Pay. Not at this moment. Backing my data from Samsung Cloud. Can y'all zero in on that? Can y'all see it? Because I know my camera gets bright. Woo, this is taking a while. Let's get.
We're all set.
I'm finished. Well, there I am. There we have it. That's my Sprint Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm going to keep. Oh, I gave him a lot of shit, a lot of messages. I'm going to keep my film on the front. Just to keep it on there because I ordered a screen protector also with my case, and we're gonna have that also. So I might do an unboxing and just showing how it covers it up and showing how cute the case is. But I'm just geeking over this fucking phone, bruh. All right, while I sort this out, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.